Going on, y'all? SCS, man. Hey, my damn AC out, man. Again, I fixed the coil, right? I put a new compressor. Let me let the window up. My girl's in here. It's gonna be hot for a little second. I fixed the coil, right? Coil went back out the next day. Put a new compressor on. Compressor went out like 3 days later. I'm like, man, what? So I got a new compressor on Amazon. I ain't put it on yet, but I'm gonna put it on, and I'm gonna take the truck straight to the dealership, and I'm gonna have them charge it. I bought a vacuum and everything. I was like, hey, maybe it ain't meant for me to do AC. The concept of AC is simple though, but I need to take it to the dealership anyway to get the check engine light taken off, so I can get my emissions test done and passed, so I can get my tags next month. And I'm getting veteran tags. Let's go. Now I can let the window back down, but I'm finna show y'all, man. History just repeated itself, so I'll show y'all what I'm talking about in a second. Man, y'all, man, I was just about to leave without recording the video, bro. So we got the storage unit, man. Big storage unit, 15 by 50. Believe it or not, like I told y'all, I said, man, history is repeating itself. It's like deja vu. When I first got here 3 years ago, 2019, man, I had just got my house, I think. Or I ain't even had a house yet. I don't even remember. But I came in the exact same unit, I do believe. And I was like, dang, they said 500. That's too much. I remember. Y'all, matter of fact, I'm about to go to the video. And man, I wish I would have took the second, I think that was the second spot in that video. It was like 1,200 and 2,400 square feet. I mean, that same unit, $2,400 right now. I wish I would have took it, man. They said it's a big storage, commercial storage spot. So I'm about to head there. It's just like what I got now and see what they got. All right, man. So this is like the only storage with big units. 15 by 50. I'll be able to fit 4 cars in there, and probably be able to work a little in front. Should be about 10 feet of space. No office, no nothing. $450 a month. Ain't too bad, but don't have electricity at all. No water, no nothing. So let's see what it look like.
He's got one that's 15 by 40.
And that's just $30 difference, right? What you said?
Yeah.
But now I'm just like, yep. When you figure out your CODB, cost of doing business, you understand that these prices don't matter. It do, but it don't. And I say that because it's all about your audience. So if you know you can't charge $100 an hour, then you can't be somewhere where it costs you money, $5 an hour to operate. So that's why I say it's all up to your audience. So this right here, the price of it, that's just gonna be the price of every job, that or more. And I know I can do 10 plus, maybe even 15 plus jobs in a month. So pay for itself. The client pays for it essentially. You take the rest. So yeah, we get this and we make it do what it do. It's just like being in the backyard at this point. But no mud. That's the best part about this one. So tomorrow, I'm finishing the car that I'm on Friday. So tomorrow, Friday, we're gonna start moving, man. We're gonna go to Harbor Freight and get just some basic tools. I got a toolbox that I'm gonna move over here. My table that's in my garage that I can wrap on top of in case I need to wrap here. More than likely, man, I got 5 digital dashes installed, so I need to get 1/2-inch ratchet set, 3/8 ratchet set, quarter drive ratchet set, some adjustment wrenches, pliers, just a bunch of little stuff. It's gonna add up probably like $100. Like I said, I already got the toolbox. Some extensions, zip ties, clips, just a bunch of little stuff, like I said. So yeah, history is repeating itself, man. And I got some good news today, but I can't drop that video or that news for another what's it, 7? I can't say nothing about it for another 3 weeks. But we about to make this shit happen, man, because can't take no for an answer. But yeah, got my kids. Oh, you sitting in the wrong seat. Go and sit in your seat. Got my kids, man. We about to Get up out of here. Go back home. Get back in your seat. And we have to keep working from home. Man, crazy how God worked. As soon as I took the picture that I put on Instagram, the owners of the new commercial property. Well, let me give y'all a backstory on it. So the commercial property was for rent. They was moving around and working on evicting people and all kinds of stuff like that. So they were like, yeah, you gotta keep checking back. We ain't got nothing available. So I'm checking back and yeah, you still gotta come back. The eviction not done. The eviction done, boom. Come back, oh yeah, the price is now $400 more. I'm like, what happened? But like at this point, it's like, it's either you gonna pay or you ain't. And this one, I was like, yeah, okay, it's not too far from my house. Could work. So I took it. This is where the problem came. I had just paid for the storage, literally the same day. Took my picture. I probably ain't had that storage 30 minutes. Called me and said, just send me a picture of your ID, and yeah, you can move in on the 1st. Right? I was like, damn, I just wasted $640. That unit was $450 at the time. It's $610 plus a $10 fee plus a $20 new person fee, new client fee, registration, whatever, $20. So $640. I'm like, damn, I just paid $640. I ain't get do nothing in there, but I'm gonna get it back on the back end. I ain't tripping on it, but I was like, dang, crazy how everything worked. Like, yeah, you're approved. Just send us a copy of your photo ID. It's crazy. It's crazy. But yeah, it's like 5 o'clock in the morning. I'm finna add this to the video, save it, then I'll get it out to y'all.